In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Shopify store with Amazon, allowing for seamless management of both platforms. By doing this, you'll streamline your inventory and order management, saving you time and effort. First and foremost, you'll need an Amazon professional seller account to get started. This type of account is essential for integration and offers a range of enhanced features, although it does come with a monthly fee. It's a worthwhile investment, considering the expanded functionalities it provides, enabling smooth connectivity between your Shopify and Amazon operations. Once your Amazon professional seller account is set up, it's crucial to optimize your Shopify store. Focus on ensuring that your product information is both accurate and detailed. Pay close attention to titles, descriptions, and images. These should align with the standards provided by tools like Seller App. Additionally, it's vital to confirm that your Shopify store's currency matches the Amazon marketplace you're targeting, ensuring a seamless monetary alignment between both platforms. The next step involves installing an Amazon integration app on your Shopify store. Apps such as Shopify's Marketplace Connect or a variety of other third-party integration tools serve as the bridge connecting Shopify with Amazon. Choosing the right app is pivotal, as it needs to cater to your specific business needs while enhancing the interaction between your store and Amazon. After you've chosen and installed an integration app, it's time to connect your Shopify and Amazon accounts. The app will guide you through this process, typically requiring you to log into your Amazon account and grant the necessary permissions. This step is critical as it establishes the link that will enable synchronization between the two platforms. Once your accounts are linked, you'll have the ability to manage your product listings and inventory directly from your Shopify admin. This integration allows for real-time syncing of inventory levels, ensuring your stock quantities are accurate and consistent across both Shopify and Amazon. By maintaining this balance, you reduce the risk of overselling and enhance customer satisfaction. Finally, let's discuss order management. The integration facilitates the synchronization of Amazon orders directly into your Shopify store. This streamlines your fulfillment process, granting you the flexibility to fulfill orders yourself or utilize Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service if preferred. This synchronization is invaluable, as it consolidates your operations, allowing you to maintain focus on growing your business and keeping your customers happy. By following these steps, you'll find that integrating Shopify with Amazon significantly optimizes your e-commerce operations. Not only do you gain control over your listings and inventory, but you also ensure that order processing becomes a unified, efficient experience. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance an existing setup, this integration is a solid strategy for expanding your reach and managing your e-commerce business more effectively.